Hey everybody, Jason with Fuel UTV, back with a new product spotlight and installation guide on this Can-Am Maverick R. Now, this particular machine is owned by Kenny, one of our sales experts, and last year we did a full build out on the Mav R, making it one of the coolest and fastest in our fleet. But Kenny might have sent it a little too hard in Sand Hollow last fall.
Oh! I got the whole thing, I'm still recording.
After that, the stock steering wheel on the Maverick R has never quite been the same. But hey, the best part of breaking stuff is it gives you an excuse to upgrade it. We just finished installing the Maverick R mode steering wheel from Evolution Powersports. It's loaded with features including carbon fiber paddle shifters, a quick release hub, and you can choose to remove your steering wheel control buttons for the race steering wheel kit or retain all your factory buttons in the multifunction steering wheel kit. The quick release hub and spline coupler are made in the USA, and the suede wrap steering wheel is made in Italy. Let's jump back to the shop and show you how easy this install is.
All right guys, so today we're going to be installing this Evolution Powersports steering wheel for the Mav R. If you've ever parked your Mav R and you notice the steering wheel's a little bit off, it's probably not your alignment. These steering wheels have a lot of issues. If you've taken a hard hit, chances are you've messed up the steering wheel. We've had a couple from factory. These don't work. That's due to the wiring in the factory steering wheel, and this will take care of all that. So in the kit, super well designed, super easy to install. You get a really nice steering wheel. This cover right here retains the OEM factory steering wheel buttons. This goes onto your steering shaft, and this is your quick release. Nice little beauty cover, and the rest is pretty much beauty covers and then clamshells to hold this super nice carbon fiber paddle shifter. This thing's really nice, and I can't wait to get it installed.
First, remove the stock steering wheel. Use a 24mm socket to remove the nut, and remove the stock steering wheel with a steering wheel puller. Use a T27 Torx to remove the 4 screws that attach the gauge cluster to the steering column. Disconnect the OEM wheel and paddle shifter wiring harnesses.
Yeah, that was easy. What, like 5 minutes? If that?
If that.
Maybe 5 minutes with a camera guy telling you to do stuff again?
10. We'll say 10 with the camera guy telling you to do stuff again.
Gotcha.
Remove the Torx screws that hold the paddle shifters to the column. It's time to assemble the new wheel. Now remove the multifunction buttons from the stock wheel.
Quiet on set.
Sorry, what? Film over here, Cole.
Remove the T10 screws that hold the center plate to the wheel. Then remove the T10 screws and zip tie that hold the buttons in place.
Kenny, look what you did, dude. There you go.
I sent her a little too hard.
You might have.
You know, that's just the good old OEM parts there for you. But you know, when you're out there trying to nosedive, that's just kind of what happens.
Use side cutters and a grinder to remove the outer mounting tabs from the OEM buttons. Install the OEM buttons to the new steering wheel center. Install the supplied mounting plates behind the OEM buttons and secure with screws and Loctite.
So your curly wire here, your female yellow, green, blue, white is going to go on the steering wheel side, and that's so that these can plug in.
Perfect.
If you go the opposite way, it won't work.
To wrap up the install, attach the new shifter paddles and steering wheel to the quick release hub with the supplied T25 screws, using Loctite on these as well. Wrap up the assembly by attaching the button centerpiece to the rest of the steering wheel with the supplied billet aluminum clamps and M4 screws, getting each in place loosely and then tightening them all down. If this video is helping you out, hit that thumbs up button and let us know what you think of this Maverick R build down in the comments. Also, we are working hard towards 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube, so subscribe.
Lining those up is a little challenging.
little challenging lining everything up, but it's worth it.
The carbon fiber beauty plate is the last thing to go on, using supplied M3 screws. Lastly, attach the steering column beauty plate with the supplied M6 hardware. Then install the spline coupler to the steering shaft with a 10mm Allen. Attach the 4-pin connector to the OEM wire harness, and the installation is complete.
All right, Austin, what do you think?
It's way better. Way better. I can actually steer the wheel now. And Kenny's paddle shifters were messed up out of the factory, so he couldn't shift, so we can finally shift this car, so that's super nice.
With this install guide video and Evo's awesome written instructions, this installation is very beginner friendly. To pick up this kit for your machine, click the link down in the description. Kenny also did a great build breakdown video on all the other Maverick R upgrades, also linked below. No matter what UTV you have, our website is your one-stop shop. Give our team of experts a call for advice. Until next time, I'm Jason with Field UTV, and we'll see you out on the trail. Oh!